Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to shoot flying gifts using Slingshot in Pets Go. You can see we have some flying gifts in the sky, and first what I want to make sure is that if you cannot see these balloons in the sky and you want to see them, you first need to go to upgrade, go to breakables, and find your way down over here. Just follow the presents and you will find flying gifts over here, and that's the only thing that you need to unlock first. Inside over here on the left side we have some slingshot extra skills for extra shots or better aiming, and on the right side we have presence upgrades. If you want bigger presence, those are the upgrades on the right side. You can check those when you have time. If you want, you can just open the flying gifts so you can see how it works. And what we're gonna do now, it's very simple. We can be on the hoverboard or we can be on foot, it doesn't even matter. We just need to aim with our cursor like this and shoot. And that's all, literally, that's all in shooting. You don't need to click anything else. That's your left mouse button for shooting. And also, if you want to go in first person and shoot like that, you can just scroll all the way in like this, and then also shoot with your left click, but it's a little bit unprecise like this, as you can see. Maybe it's better to shoot directly in the present, not the balloon, and it's gonna work more like that. Let's try with the hoverboard also. Ooh, that's very fast. And yeah, it's like that, easy as that. Very easy to shoot them, and that's actually all about it. Only thing that I would suggest, you just lower a little bit your sensitivity. You can do that on your escape button, go to settings, and over here, camera sensitivity, you can lower it a little bit. As you can see, mine is on 0.5, but you can go even more lower to be more precise when you're shooting. So that's all there is for the flying gifts, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will answer you, and I'll see you in the Pets Go.